side. Daddy loves you forever. No matter where life goes, you'll always be my little girl. That hospital room light glowing. First time I held you, my whole world slowed in motion. Tiny little fingers wrapped around my hand. That's the moment God showed me who I am. Late night crying bottles on the floor. Single daddy learning love a little more. Some days hard, but you made me strong. Every sacrifice became my favorite song. Five pussies smiling like the morning sun. Zulessa laughing while the day was young. Even through the changes life can bring, you two became my everything. Now time keeps moving faster every year. One day and I know someday I gotta let you fly, but part of me will always wanna hold on tight. Cause you'll always be daddy's little girls, even when you got your own whole world. White dress dancing under wedding lights, still my babies in these teary eyes. And if the right man comes and treats you true, I'll thank the heavens for loving you. But if he ever breaks your heart, might do, cause no one will ever know your worth the way I did from the day of your birth. Five pussies, can't you see? You'll forever mean the world to me. Life moved on and seasons changed their ways. Now one's beside me and one's far away, but that's alright, cause love still remains. Family ain't measured by the last name. I pray your futures overflow with peace, real love, real joy, sweet memories. May your homes be full of laughter and grace, and may no tears ever fall down your face. Still see your little footprints in the sand. Still hear your voices running through the land. And every sunset by the ocean side reminds me how fast this whole life flies. And trust me, girl, that part's gonna be hard. But if he loves you the way a real man should, then I'll stand beside him proud and good. But if he leaves you broken in the dark, I cross every ocean, I'll walk through sparks. Cause no pain on earth could stop these hands from protecting both my babies again. You'll always be daddy's little girl. No matter where you are in this world, even when your own children call your name. To me, my angels stay the same. And when I'm old and life rolls by, I still see you through these loving eyes. My heart beats on. Daddy's love forever lives on. Peacewarrior Productions.